What's up guys, Devin with Skar Audio, and I have one of our newest monoblock amplifiers. It is the SA-1000.1D. This little amp right here is going to be packing a powerful punch. Let's get it hooked up to our amp dyno to see what the SA-1000.1D can actually put out. All right guys, so I have the SA-1000.1D right here in my hands, and as you can see, it is pretty compact for a 1000-watt amplifier. And if it's just like its bigger brother counterpart, the SA-1500.1D, I assume it's gonna make a lot more power than what it's actually rated at. So let's go get it hooked up to our amp dyno and see what it can actually do. All right guys, so we have our SA-1000.1D wired up to our SMD amp dyno. So let's get the first test going, the certified power run at 1 ohm. All right, so as you can see, this amp did 1,371 watts. That's absolutely amazing because this amp is actually only rated for 1,000 watts. So great numbers so far. Now let's get to the uncertified power run. These numbers keep getting better and better. As you can see, 1,489 watts. That's almost 1,500 watts out of a 1,000 watt RMS rated amplifier. I cannot wait to see what the dynamic power run results are after seeing these past two tests. Now let's get to that test and we can all see the numbers together. And just like that guys, this amp almost made double its RMS power on the dynamic power run. It made 1,867 watts at 1 ohm. That is insane. So if you want this powerhouse of an amplifier in your system, click the link in the description below or the link above me to order yours today. Make sure to get your order in before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time because we will get it shipped out same day for you and it'll be at your doorstep in no time, and you'll be able to be bumping that hard pounding bass with your brand new SA-1000.1D. Remember to like and subscribe, drop a comment below. Until our next video, stay loud.